Hey guys, it's Lisa. In this video, I'm going to show you how I flood coat a canvas. This is I believe it was a swipe that I did in December, and it is the primary elements. This is the one that I did the the total interference base. So once the resin gets on it, it's going to come back to life. And so yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm going to put my respirator on, and then we're going to flood coat. I am using Liquid Art by KS Resin. It is the Liquid Art Ultra UV, and I have a code that I'll put right here for the KS Resin. It saves you 5% off your entire order, and it's free shipping in the US for orders that are over $50. So I'm gonna put my respirator on. I may sound a little muffled, but I'll talk you through it all. Okay. Sorry, I just knocked this all over the place. Jeez. Okay. Hang on. Okay, so I'll try to speak up some more so you can hear me through my mask. You certainly don't need this much resin, but I mixed up a whole big batch because I have 3 paintings I have to do, so when you're mixing resin, you want to scrape your sides. You want to mix it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes crystal clear again. And then just want to make sure there's nothing on the canvas. Okay. Okay. So it's a little bit chilly down here, so I'm going to use my heat gun and warm it up just a little bit. It'll make it a little easier to spread. And then I just take it right to the edges first before going over. Some people use like a tool or something to do this. I do it with my gloved hand because I can actually feel the resin. So now I'm going to take it over the edge get the sides. And you can feel where you've missed just with your hand. So you get a lot better coverage and the feel of the things. It's just I feel like I just popped a hole in my glove. Hang on. I'm not sure I did, but just to be safe. Just to be safe, you don't want epoxy on your hand or on your arms. Whew. Sometimes I feel like I can't breathe with this respirator on, but I think it's just my anxiety. Just the fear of not being able to breathe. And it's like claustrophobic, kind of. I don't know. It's weird. You'd think you'd be able to breathe better, right? That's not the case. Well, I mean, for me anyway. So when I have a few pieces that I have to do, whew, I usually have to take my mask off for a bit, leave the room, get some air. Okay. So because this is a canvas and resin is heavy, it's going to dip a little bit and it's probably going to pull away from the sides. But that's okay because I always end up doing 2 layers anyway. So your torch helps pop the bubbles. You can use a heat gun also. I tend to like the torch better. For top coats, I don't know why. But then you kind of want to go over it, look at it from the side, because you can see anything that has fallen into it. Like this big husky hair. The big chunks and stuff that are obvious, I'll get out. But like I said, I'm going to do a second coat on this. So if it's little pieces of dust, I'm not super worried about it. All right, I'm going to come get you And I'm going to show you the first coat. Okay. So remember I said that the resin will make it come back to life? Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. See that? This is the one with the interference base. And then I used the black swipe color. And it just was really kind of cool looking the way that it turned out. It's very different. Let me move this light out of the way. See that? This one was primary elements. 24 karat gold. And then the purple flash from Folk Art. So pretty. And then like if you take and you look, you want to look at it from the side and see if you see anything, any debris in it. And then once it's clear with debris, then you can take it and put it on a table like over there. And I will be covering it up with a lid. So all right. So I'm going to do 2 more, but I'm not gonna. I'll just do that off camera. You guys don't need to see me do them all. But they will all get 2 coats because 1 coat doesn't have a good coverage on the corners. So okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful to you, let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for a Facebook group to join, look up United We Pour Fluid Art Group and come join us there. There's 3 questions that we ask, and I'll link it at the end of the video also. Again, I will put my color art coupon code in for all of this awesome colors and the base colors. That's the Bling It Interference base color and the KS Resin code. And I will see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.